Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a paper cut effect in Adobe Illustrator. So for this effect I have already chose two colors. So first one is this one and second is this one. Okay, so first of all we are going to make a rectangle. Select rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Now we are going to divide this rectangle into 5 or 6 different parts. Okay, so for this one go to press B for default color. Now select the line segment tool and make a line like this. Increase the stroke size. Now hold and press Alt and move this line to below. This will create a copy of this line. Now press Ctrl D to copy. Now select all and make readjustments. Now go to Effect, Distort and Zigzag, but make sure you are going to select all the lines. Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag, Smooth, make it 5. Okay, now go to Windows, Appearance, a new dialog box will be open. Now select the first one, click on this to this name to edit the zigzag effect. So you can just do it like this. Select second one, zigzag, like this. Select third, click on zigzag, increase, decrease. You can do random things, there is no certain things, and you will see. Yep. A very good effect. Okay, so now effect is ready. So now select all the lines again, go to Edit, Expand Appearance. Now select all including background layer and all the lines. Select the Shape Builder tool and click on each part. Now remove the extra part. Click on this and this is the color code 09598C, and for second color the color code is 40C3D5. Okay, now select the both colors, go to Object, Blend and Make. Object, Blend and Option. Click on Preview, Specific Options, put 3 and okay. Now we got a new color palette. Okay, so select all, select the first shape, click on eyedrop tool and select this color. Now second eyedrop color, and in this way we are going to select